Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to change gasket on the brew unit of coffee maker Melitta Ci. This brew unit is actually stands on different models like Melitta Bistro, Melitta Caffeo Solo, and all old models of Bosch and Siemens. So let's take these drawers out and take our brew unit to our table. We need to take this handle, click this button to the top, and take this brew unit out. We will change two gaskets, this black one and another one is put in this cylinder. If you can see this mud, dust and old coffee particles what takes out of the cylinder to the down of the brew unit, I have 100% what we need to change this gasket. So actual technical device of this brew unit consists of the changing these two gasket, black and another one here. It can be black or orange. Cleaning this brew unit and putting new grease to the parts of this brewing device. So let's start. First of all, we must take this angle out. It's just simple. You must take it by yourself using your hand. Simple. Take parts this side and then take it down. Next one, let's this cover take out. Simple press this and this sides, and when it takes out. After that, you must take the screwdriver T9, then take this screw out, and then by pressing this tube this side right on my hand, we can then this handle move to the top, and when it takes out. As you can see, I just done it. After that, you must take Torx T15 screwdriver and put out 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, you can take one side of the brew unit out, and we will get to the all parts of the brew unit to clean it and grease it. So I just done it, and I get idea how to know how old is your coffee maker. You can see here the numbers, which is actually tell you when was made your coffee maker. Come back to our brew unit. I unscrewed these 6 screws, and then I put this part out. Now we can see all parts what is inside. Like, take this out. All of this you must clean with cold water. Then take these parts out too. You must remember where this rubber was placed. So as you can see, it was down. Take this out. Turn this part anti-clockwise, and then you can take main cylinder. Here you can see this water spout, you must unscrew these T90 screws, and then just simple take it out in these directions. So how to disassemble top piston? Take this screwdriver and take this tube from this spout. After that, take T90 screw, unscrew this screw. After that, take this out, this plastic part and this gasket what we will replace. Take this out too. After we have these two screws, and when we take out this part, which contains spring with valve, we can take this out, just simple little turning and taking it to the left in our case. This top piston is disassembled. Other parts don't need to be out. Let's now we will disassemble main cylinder. We need to put out these parts. So by your hands take it to the different directions, and then you can simple take out this side and then another side. It's just simple like it, like this. Then take our favorite screwdriver here and simple take it out, moving this side. When we can take central piston out, just like that. After that, there is a gasket. This is black one. You can see it in the center of this cylinder. How to take out this gasket? We must take this slim screwdriver and then pressing it from the top, from this side, take this out. The good news, what you must, if you want, can destroy this gasket, because it sits so strong. What you must do hard work to take this out, and in the end you will get this out. This gasket once was orange, but it's so old and dirty what I I was wrong and called it the black one. As you can see, this gasket can be black or orange. This is what numbers by Melitta of these gaskets. Big one and little one what is put in the central cylinder. So let's assemble this cylinder and all Brew unit, of course. Put this gasket and pressing it to its place very softly, trying not to destroy this gasket. I'm actually using marker to put this to its place. After putting some grease to the piston and put this to the cylinder. Put some grease here and here, and then these cubes will move this grease to the all parts of the these rails for these cubes. After that, let's place these parts to its place, which is here. When it's on its place, it hardly clicked. Putting these parts to its place, you must first of all put these sides to the rails with, and then one by one put left and after right parts to these cubes, like this, and after put this. Put some grease to these rails, a little one. You don't need to put a big amount of grease here. Now we can put this central cylinder to the it place and take this to the side. Let's assemble top piston. Put this spring with rubber to this part, and then put this down. It's actually will be better if you do this side. I mean moving this part to the top, and then put two screwdrivers to its places. This is half done. Now we can put new gasket. Put it by big side to the down of the piston. I mean this place. Then put the plastic ring first of all, and then screws all these parts by this screw. Put some grease to this gasket all around it, and then put it to its place, connecting with this tube. And of course put these parts here, as I said earlier, with rubber to the down to the piston. And don't forget put this spring to the main cylinder as I just did. So take this out, put these parts, and maybe these parts too we can put to its place. Okay, I just done this spring on its place. My advice which this is put this part these hooks to these places, what you will stand just like this. After that we will assemble this part and put it to its place, then put this part, and that put some grease to these rails on this side part of brew unit, and after that we will put this down, screw 6 screws, put the handle to its place, and click these plastic parts to its place, and you will get absolutely renewed brew unit on this great machine. Thank you for your attention. If you had some questions, please comment and I will answer you. Goodbye.